First step to create a modern house with a double floor or third floor, we can choose the rectangle or rotate rectangle in here, and we can determine about the first position on this workspace. We can determine this origin position, and then we can type around 15 meter for the height, and for the depth of this building around 10 meter approximately. Then now we can add more several space in here. We can make sure that the house are not only just ordinary. The house are not only or just ordinary floor plan. We can also determine our floor plan as possible as we can, because the floor plan are important for us to determine about the meshing and facade design. For the example, the floor plan outlines are on the screen in here. It has several junction in here. So it's not only the boxes, it's not only the ordinary rectangle of this floor plan. Then we can click this surfaces and select a push. We can push it up around 5 meter approximately. Okay, and then we can also triple click, right click, and also make group. Then we can also make the another elements over there. We can make the small room in here, or we can add more space in here. Then we can push it up again in here around 5 meter in here, or around 4 and 5 meter approximately. Okay, then we can also make the cantilever in here. We can triple click, make group, and then we can also make the another openings. Okay, now we can make the another openings, but we can also add more landscape element in here. We can also make the landscape element in here. We can triple click, make group. Okay, then we can also add the entrance area in here. This is the entrance area, and we can also make the another stepping in here. We can also make the stepping. This is just only for example for the stepping elements in here. Okay, approximately just like this, and we can add more stepping in here. Okay, we can see about the distance of the stepping are not too high, so we have to determine wisely about to make the stepping on this house anyway. Okay, we can push it again to the front. We can make the line in here and push it again in here. We can make the line in here and push it again, and also make this one. Then we can triple click, make group. Okay, we can now make the canopy elements in here, because the canopy is very important to the access. Even if it's only the entrance, we have to add a canopy as good as possible in here. We can also make group, and we can also make more openings. We can add more openings in here and push it to the behind over there, and we can make the another openings in here, and also we can put the line on here, and we can place on this position and select the line, move it up again in here. Then we can also push it to the behind, Okay, and after that we can also make the another rectangle in here, and we can make the another rectangle in here for the main entrance in here, because main entrance are very important. It is about the how the user or the guests are visiting on this house, so the entrance can speak that the house are made perfectly from the designer or architect anyway. Then we can also make the another railing elements in here. The railings are important because it's about the safety elements of this building elements of or these building parts. This railing, the minimum height of this railing is around 1 meter, so it's so we have to make sure that the railing are safety. The materials of the railings are a variety. You can use the iron materials, the metal materials for the railing, and you can combine with the another materials. or you can make the metal, or you can make the railing materials with using the glass, solid glass with temper glass over there. But in this case, we just try to make the solid surface of the railing in here, because we need experimental about the meshing design and facade design of this luxury house. We use this solid railing. Then we can use the glass materials for making the openings are representative enough. It has several openings like a door and also the window, and we can see about the canopy. We have to select the canopy, and we can draw the on the bottom of the canopy. We can make the support in here and also make component and just create, and then we can just duplicate it, but we have to make sure that the positioning are perfect. We can type round 3 slash and enter in here, and then now we can make the another iconic color to make the accents in here. Sorry, we can, okay, it says done. We can make the another accents in here, so the house is very variety. It has a variative vibes over there. Now we can choose about the landscaping element in here, and we can also put the tree to make sure that the house are not only about the building only. It's not only about the building, but it also consider about the placement, and it also consider about the another element like a vegetation and much more elements over there. And then we can also make the another wall elements in here. We can also make the another wall element in here, especially on the entrance. We have to push it to the front, triple click, make group, and assign with the another materials with using the stone materials texture in here, and it's done. Okay, we can also activate about the shadow in here. Okay, and anyway, it's done, but we can also put the another vehicle in here. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.